Do you browse in private mode for 15 minutes a day? In this video, JetSoftPro, a company with 20 years of experience in software development, explains how it works and whether it's safe. What is private browsing? Private browsing, also known as Incognito mode, is a privacy feature in web browsers that prevents your browsing history from being stored on your device. This means anyone who uses the same device as you won't be able to track your online activity. However, if someone knows how to view DNS records, like your mom or partner, they can still see your browsing history. What does private browsing mode do? Private browsing mode prevents your browser from remembering where you've been on the internet, what you searched for, and the information you've entered into web forms by not storing browsing history, cache data, or form details locally on your device. Additionally, anything you visited or searched for in incognito mode should not appear in your suggestions, so every session starts with a clean slate. What doesn't private browsing mode do? Private browsing mode does not provide complete anonymity. Your activities can still be tracked by internet service providers, the websites you visit, and your company's networks. For instance, Facebook can still track your activity across sites and adjust its advertising, even when using incognito mode. However, Facebook's strict advertising rules help prevent advertisers from showing you unwanted ads. Blocking third-party cookies in your browser can also help mitigate this. Furthermore, private browsing does not protect you from computer viruses or shield you from hackers and other online threats. Can someone see what's been viewed in your private browsing? Yes, it's possible with some effort. One method involves checking the DNS cache. With a few extra steps, they can also access your Wi-Fi router log to view your private browsing history. So, is private browsing safe? Private browsing is safer than regular internet browsing because it doesn't save your browsing data after the session ends. It's particularly useful on public devices to prevent others from viewing your online activity. However, it doesn't protect against online threats such as snooping, scams, or other risks. When can incognito mode be helpful? Planning a surprise trip, checking symptoms discreetly, exploring sensitive topics like conspiracy theories, signing into multiple accounts simultaneously, avoiding future autofill suggestions, keeping YouTube and Google recommendations unbiased, testing websites without cached data, evading targeted advertising. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and we will help you make the most of technology.